Alright guys, so there's a problem with this faucet here. It's leaking underneath. As you can see, water right here. So my duty is to see where it's leaking.
First we're going to change out the pipe.
So
Change out for the kitchen one.
I'm gonna turn on the pipe. I'm gonna check. Alright, so you can see no sign of water is on this pipe here, but I see signs of water on this, right? So as I can see some water right here. So it is basically showing me the water is coming from the faucet. So that's where it's leaking from. You can see the water bubbling right here.
I thought it was in the pipe that's going down here. But
No, it's not.
We've been checking it. I mean, I've seen it. I through this black up and me plunge it.
Okay, no, it's not the waste, it's the faucet itself leaking. Alright, so
The water going down slow, so me buy a plunger and plunge it, so me think say I did something under there leaking.
no, okay. No, you have two problems because it's now showing me that it's not leaking out. It's not draining properly, so you have two problems. I'm gonna take care of it for you. Alright guys, you can see the water there dripping.